In this video, I will guide you how to resize all images in Word at once. First, you need to click on Insert and insert the all picture from your file. Once you inserted the all images, then select the first image and right click and click on the size and position. And now enter your desired dimension in the height and width box. For example, 4 inch by 4 inch. And now uncheck the log aspect ratio and relative to original picture size. Uncheck and click OK. And now select the second image and press F4. So Word will automatically apply the same exact resizing dimension to that image. So repeat this for all subsequent images. So this is the great way if you have a handful of images and want them to match the first one you resize. So with this way you can easily resize all images at once in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.